In this video, you'll learn how to clear cache on Hostinger so your website shows the most up-to-date version to your visitors. We'll go through this slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to Hostinger or website management, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. Before we jump into the actual clicks, let's quickly explain what we're doing and why it matters. The cache is a temporary storage that helps your website load faster by saving certain parts of your site, like images or code, so they don't have to be reloaded every time. That's great for speed, but it can sometimes cause an issue where you make changes to your site and you don't see them right away. Clearing the cache removes those stored versions, forcing your site to serve the latest files. This is especially useful after updates, design changes, or fixing bugs. I'm going to walk you through how to do this directly from your Hostinger control panel called hPanel. Start by logging into your Hostinger account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is your starting point for managing everything related to your hosting and websites. From here, look for the section labeled Websites. This is where Hostinger lists all the sites connected to your account. Find the website whose cache you want to clear. If you only have one website, it should be the only one you see. Next to that domain, you'll see a button or link that says Manage. Go ahead and click that. This will open the management area for that specific website. You should now be on the main overview page for the site. This page is like a control center that gives you access to all the key tools and settings, including performance options. On this overview page, your next goal is to locate the Clear Cache button. Its exact placement can vary slightly depending on layout updates, but there are two main places to look. First, check the top right area of the screen, where Hostinger often places quick action buttons. If you don't see it there, look for a section related to speed, performance, or caching on the overview page. The Clear Cache option will usually be inside that section. Once you've found the Clear Cache button, click it. Hostinger will typically ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed because clearing the cache will remove the stored temporary files for your site. Confirm the action when prompted. After you confirm, Hostinger will process the request. This usually only takes a few moments. You might see a brief loading indicator or a success message letting you know that the cache has been cleared successfully. At this point, your website should now be serving the latest version of your content. A helpful tip is to refresh your website in your browser, and if you still don't see changes, try a hard refresh or clear your browser cache as well. Sometimes your local browser can also hold on to older files. I'll show you the easiest way to remember this. Log into hPanel, go to Websites, click Manage next to your domain, look for Clear Cache on the overview page, then click it and confirm. That's all there is to it. Clearing the cache on Hostinger is a small step, but it can quickly solve display issues and make sure your visitors always see your most recent updates.